Alright YouTube, I am back for another video. Yes, it's your boy DOMMY, and guys for coming back to my channel. Before anything guys, I need you to stop what you're doing and hit that notification bell right up there. Also guys, if you're brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button because I really want you to join the DOMMY squad. I love you so much and I just want my channel to grow and I need the support and I need my DOMMY squad family to get bigger. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit it now. Also guys, this is the second video in a row that you've seen my base done and my brows and everything finished. I'm looking a little glowy just because of the natural light hitting from my skylight up there, and it's just looking like a little oily on this side, but it's really not because my face is powdered down. So we're about to do this video from Ellie. Ellie did a video on Violet, which is from the Willy Wonka movie, and it's where she is the girl that had the blue jumpsuit on. I do not have that and I'm broke, so I did not go buy a jumpsuit. I do have my ADDIS jumpsuit pants on, so I kind of have the vibe, but Dominic does not have any of that. Anywho, I'm going to be doing that whole look today, and instead of just doing the nose, I think I'm going to do my eyeshadow purple but also form it around my outer face. Like it looks like it's actually like swelling to my face instead of just my nose, so I can add a little bit more of my own twist to it. My look that I'm saving for Halloween, you know, and I'll be dropping that Wednesday because Halloween is on a Wednesday this year. And I'll be doing videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so you guys get ready, and that's why I'm telling you guys, hit that notification bell up there so you can get my videos as soon as I post them, because it's 2 for 1. 2 for 1 week. Every week it's gonna be 2 videos. So let's get to this video. So we're gonna go with the eyes first. You know I'm gonna be using Juvia's Place. Honey, I bought all the eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use all the eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to be using Juvia's Place. So if you got a problem with it, you can leave this channel. But Juvia's Honey is here to stay, and if you don't like it, sorry. And you know guys, I'm just going back in with my jumbo milk pencil. I'm gonna have to get the sharpener. I think first we're gonna go into the Dos Juvia's palette right here, and I'm going to go into that nice pinkish purple shade first as a nice highlight transition color, and then I'm going to go into this darker purple right here just to go inside my crease. I hope these are purples and not pink, but we'll see. So at the tip into that, just put this into the crease, above the crease. And I like to lift my lid when I do this, guys, because when you lift your lid, you actually can get right up in there above the crease. Alright, now that we have that nice, beautiful purple shade, we're going to go in with a nice darker shade. And like I said, we're going to go into the Masquerade palette, and we're going to jump into this purple right here. Hopefully that is a darker purple, but to me I think it might be more like a cranberry shade, but let's pray. I mean, it looks darker, so let's go ahead and add that to the inner eye right there. Now we're gonna take this brush again and we're just gonna blend out the two. So again, I look so harsh. Oh. I think I need to add a little bit more purple on that, a little darker. Alright, now that I did that, I want to go into a darker purple. And I think the only purple that I have that's darker is going to be this one right here, but this is more like a shimmer from Urban Decay. But maybe I can make this work. Maybe. Let's see. Hope this isn't messed up, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to try. They didn't hurt it. Deep into the crease. Ooh, that is pretty. All right, now we're gonna cut the lid and then I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle. Alright, now that we did that, I think we're gonna go in with a little bit of this nice purplish shade right here. And I think I'm just gonna add that into the inner eye. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, let's go in with a packer brush so we can pack a little bit of that more on my lid. Alright guys, and I'm gonna jump in with a little bit of this purple right here. Ooh, there we go. I think that added a little bit more dimension to my eyes. We're gonna jump and do lashes real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we got our lashes on, I did get a little bit of mascara up here. However, I can get that out with a little spoolie. Now we're gonna go into a little bit of the nose job that we're about to do. And again, Ellie did this and I'm gonna try to recreate this. We're about to go out and we're about to try this. This has been fairly loved, especially yellow. I've done so many looks with that yellow. I've just been practicing with, and I'm just excited to show you guys what I've been trying to come up with this palette, because you can use this more than just a lip palette. Just let you guys know that. Let's get into this nose. And I already started mixing a little bit of this on my little palette, and we're gonna put this on my nose. Hopefully this turns out well. I use this e.l.f. brush because it's actually a little bit smaller, and we're just going to apply this to the beginning of the nose. Ooh, see. Now we're gonna go in with this blue right here, just to darken it up a little bit. Alright guys, so now that you have your base done, and like I said guys, I didn't use the right thing, I did use lipstick, but you can use anything I feel like you can, and that's all I had. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender, because I'm going to throw this one when I finish. Do not use a beauty blender guys, go out and buy sponges, but this is all I have, and the good thing I do have an extra one just in case. And it was only like $3, so it's not bad. I'm not like wasting $20 on a beauty blender. So now we're going to just push in and like spread out where we have the sharp line at, and we're just going to take it, I guess. Yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. I'm going to go into this dark blue real quick, and I'm just going to sprinkle that around my nose. Alright guys, so like I'm going to extend my eyeshadow just a little bit so it can blend a little bit better. And I think I'm going to go back in with the Dulce palette right here, and I'm just going to go into my inner eye right there just so it can add it a little bit. Ooh, there we go, guys. Like, oh. I have a big ass nose though. That's the only thing I don't like about the thing that I can't really do. But now we're gonna go to highlighter and I'm just gonna spray my face a little bit real quick. Cause I think we're gonna do veins and stuff afterwards. I just want a little bit of glow so this look can come together. Actually, no, let's do the veins now. And I think I'm gonna jump back into this palette that I used before for this highlight over here. This highlight over here is amazing. Look at that. Girl, I just ate the wrong gum today. I ate the wrong gum today. Oh, now I gotta add that to my inner eye. Yes, honey, gotta add that to my inner eye. Now that we got our face done, we're gonna jump into my lip duo favorites. Vibe from Shop Miss A. This is a lovely $1 liquid matte lipstick I love. Then we have the NYX Cosmetics, the lingerie liquid matte lipstick in the color Baby Doll. These two together are a beautiful shade. I'm gonna go first in with the Vibe. Alright guys, there goes the lip, here goes the face. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh my god, Violet, I am coming for you, bitch. I am coming for you. I just really love that Ellie did this video. It's really cute. I think this looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I have more Halloween looks coming and I'm doing simple ones and then I'm going to do very hard ones, but I want to start with the simple ones first because this is leading up to Halloween and then all of a sudden it's going to be like a complete change and I cannot wait. It's going to be like blood. I'm just so excited. Wait till you wait, just wait guys, just wait, like literally wait. Pause. You're going to love it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, guys.